Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I made over my Dollar Tree Easter egg sign for something more suitable for my bathroom. What you're going to need from the Dollar Tree is one of the Easter eggs. There are two different ones, and you'll need a package of the metallic Easter words and a microfiber cloth, one bunch of the Easter lilies, and the Dollar Tree sanding block, and you're going to sand off all the glitter. Once I was done, it was also the day that the Dollar Tree Mystery Box Challenge debuted on YouTube, and I took some sandpaper and I just watched the video and sandpapered all the paper off of the sign, and now I didn't need to paint it. I took some Mod Podge, covered up the sanded side, and then added my microfiber cloth and smoothed it down, and then waited until it was completely dry, and I trimmed it back into its egg shape. Then I had some blue wired ribbon in my craft room, and I used my Easy Bow Maker to make a small bow. I took my a bunch of lilies, and I didn't want the whole bunch, so I just cut off 3, and I rewrapped them in some Dollar Tree floral tape. And then I took my Happy Easter words and I took them outside. I didn't really like the galvanized look of it, so I coated them with some Rust-Oleum metallic finish. Just a cautionary tale, this paint will scratch off very easily off the sign. Once that was dry, I glued my flowers onto the egg, and then the metallic words, actually hot glue dries very, very quickly on them. So I laid my words down and I just dabbed some hot glue under the sections one at a time. And I have it here in my bathroom with my Easter bunny that I made in a previous video. I hope you enjoyed my project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.